Click on the three dots at the top right and click on Draw. Select the neon marker tool and click on the color yellow on the bottom. Increase the brush size on the left side and draw a zigzag on top of the subject. Use the eraser tool on top and erase every other line. Then I type the words New Post using the fifth font from the left. Click Done on top and place it on top of the subject. Type New Post again but change the color to yellow. Place the white font on top of the yellow font. Then type a bunch of underscores to create two lines. Place it on both sides of the new post to make it look like they're connected. Click the link in my bio for more Instagram tips. Tap on it once and pinch two fingers to make it smaller. Swipe up and add the same photo from your camera roll but in black and white. Tap on it until it becomes a rectangle and place it beside the other image. Add the same image again and place it on the other side of the image. Use the text tool and type a bunch of underscores. Click Done and place the line vertically like this. Tap on the colored image to bring it to the front. Type New Post and place it on the bottom connecting to the line. Tap New Post again and use the eyedropper tool to select the color from the image. Place it on top of the white text. Type a bunch of underscores and place it on the bottom like this. Click the link in my bio for more Instagram tips. Type a period and tap the A button at the top, then click Done. Enlarge it so it covers the whole screen. Delete the story, then re-upload the story that you just deleted. Use the text tool and type Mood like this. Swipe all the way to the right and use the last font. Enlarge it and place it on the left side of the screen. Then go to your gallery and import the same photo. Tap on it once until it becomes a circle and place it in the O. Re-upload the same photo again and place it in the other O. Click the link in my bio for more Instagram tips. Click on the three dots on the top right and click on Draw. Click the eyedropper tool, select the color from the image, and tap and hold down on the screen. Use the eraser tool and draw a circle to reveal the image. Click on Draw again and click on the neon marker tool. Draw around the circle and tap on the screen to create dots. Enlarge the circle to create larger dots. You can also change the color to yellow to create some yellow dots. Type a bunch of underscores to create three lines using the second font from the left. Enlarge them using two fingers and place it on the image like this in a triangle. Click the link in my bio for more Instagram tips.